Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to buy tickets from bookmyshow.com. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device, head over to any web browser and then type in bookmyshow.com, and then that will take you to the official site of Book My Show. And from here you can search your movie, event, plays, sports or activities. Or if you don't want to do that, you can look at the recommended movies across here. So for this demonstration, I want to click on June Part 2. And then it will give you a little bit of information about the movie. It goes for 2 hours and 46 minutes, action, adventure, drama. And it's going to be released on the 1st of March 2024. So you can book tickets ahead of time here. So go ahead and click on book tickets. And then select language and format. So if you want 2D, 4DX, Hindi 2D, 4DX. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do IMAX 2D. And then choose your cinema. Where would you like to view it? So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the 7 PM show here. This will redirect me to how many seats. So if it's just me and my partner going, I'm going to choose 2 seats and then click on select seats, and it gives you the price here. So as you can see, all the grayed out ones are people that have already booked. So as you can see down the bottom, that's where the screen is. So if you want to sit right at the front, you can pick here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the side here. I'm going to click these 2 and then click on pay. Read the terms and conditions. Then click on accept. And then you can add some food, snacks here. And then once you've done, click on the proceed button here. And now you'll come to here, add in your email address, phone number to continue, payment options. Got all these different payment options here. Quick pay, debit, credit card, net banking, mobile wallets. So you add in your information here, click on make payment, and that's done. That's how you buy tickets from Book My Show. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.